I'm Ludo Lefebvre and we are back for the basic part 2. Chop and slice. Now I'm going to show you how to do the perfect slice. Use my paring knife. People don't spend enough time to learn the basic. To be a great cook, you need to know how to chop, mince, dice. Basics are the foundation of cooking. Bon, finish. Now, I'm going to take my chef knife. I'm going to really hold my knife. It's like when you're on a motorcycle, you're going to hit a bump, you will like squeeze. Same thing with a knife. You squeeze the knife because it's bigger. I don't know if it makes sense, but boom, that's it. Again, I insist, but it's very important. I know I repeat myself. I know I'm boring sometimes, I say again, but like this, okay? Up, when I arrive here, puff, I bend this one to be more safe, more stability. Make sure always have your finger behind the blade. Like this, you're not going to cut yourself. Like this, yes. Knife like this, I'm okay. And I go again. What I do after, because I'm very picky, separate the onions like this. It's a basic thing, but it's so important. When you get a good foundation, a good basic, after you can be creative and start to play with things, you know. But until that, no, you cannot be creative. You need to be patient and just practice. And after you'll be good. Look at this, that's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how to chop, okay?
Shopping or chopping?
What's the difference?
Your wife shops, you chop.
Okay, you smart as now, okay? You know it's shopping. Now we're going to chop.
Chop.
Chop, chopping. Today we're going to do herbs. So we take some cilantro here, okay? Make sure they're very tight together. And here now, I'm going to use more the butt of the knife, not the tips, like this. Very rough. Turn it, and again. And then after, you hold your knife like this, and here, and just go like this. Chopping is really about the sound, you know. You need to be fast, you know. Chopping is a fast process. It's really no pressure on the front, okay. Here it's just to balance my knife. If I was going like this, I have less control, okay. The butt. That's where I want all the pressure to get the perfect chopping. See, it's beautiful. That was chopping and slicing, the basic.